One weekend in winter 2021, I decided to do mini road trip driving north out of Los Angeles. Since I lived in San Diego before, I had a lot of occasion to drive south, but I've never been far north. I drove on the coastline Highway 1 until I reached out to Big Sur. I wanted to see ocean views and check beaches to see if they are different from what I used to see. Here is the first stop on the trip. I stopped by Santa Barbara to do a mini hike at Inspiration Point to stretch my legs after a long drive. I like Santa Barbara a lot as it has beaches and mountains where I can enjoy the nature without stressful drive. It is less crowded compared to ones in LA, and although it's still tough to find a parking, it's not as difficult as it is in LA. I like this ocean view from the trail. When I reached out to the end of the trail, there was a stunning view that you see sun in the clear sky, the ocean, and downtown Santa Barbara. If you go there around sunrise or sunset, I think it will be even more beautiful. Next morning, I woke up at the campsite that I booked on Hipcamp. Hipcamp is a website where you can book private campsites. Usually someone's trying to rent out their backyard, farm, and a piece of land for camping. It's just like a camping version of Airbnb. Since campsite reservation is getting competitive, Hipcamp is an alternative solution for those who are having a trouble finding a campsite. My campground was located right next to the street where traffic comes and goes, so to be honest, it was quite noisy at night. The morning was amazing though. You enjoy full sunshine and bird sounds. Since this place is a farm, you see flowers and trees during spring and summer, but I was there in December, so it was just a huge terrain. So last night I was checking the website where I can check the Highway 1 road condition, because in order to get to a Big Sur, you have to take a Highway 1 so that you can see all the ocean view from the driving. So that's something that I'm looking forward to. But then I think a few days ago there was the landslide happened on Highway 1, and then they closed the road, partially. So I wanted to check if the road is still open, or maybe there might be any additional landslide or rock slide and they fully closed the road or something. So I wanted to check the status, and fortunately they partially opened up the previously closed section on the road. So I think today I can drive Highway 1 safely and get to the Big Sur. So that's what I'm going to do today. On the way to Big Sur, I happened to find a beautiful trail out of Santa Maria, so I took a quick break from the drive. The trail was short and easy, and you can see the lovely bay view from the boardwalk. Funny to say, but given the fact that I found this place by accident, 2022 is gonna be a great year. I started driving north again. I was a little bit concerned about the road condition of Highway 1, but all debris brought by the landslide was somehow managed and I was able to pass the section safely. As I expected, the ocean views from driving was amazing. It was very bright that I can't really open the eyes without sunglasses, but having a lot of sunshine with this amazing view is worth the drive. The time passed slower and I enjoyed this mellow vibe. The weather and temperature are perfect too. The highest is around high 60 and low 70, and the lowest is around 40. So you can escape cold winter by visiting here. Here we are. This is today's main event, checking out elephant seals at San Siamo Beach. Starting in November, male elephant seals arrive on the shore to find a female to mate. They fight against each other for a female. You can hear their male sounds like drumming. That's the sound of male sealing warning their rivals. In the meantime, from December to March, pregnant female elephant seals arrive there to give birth. In the last week of nursing their pups, females will mate with alpha males and go to the sea without their pups. They will arrive on another shore to give birth, nurse pups, mate again, and repeat the cycle. In seals world, seems like a female seals exist for sole purpose of reproduction. This makes me wonder if female seals are happy to live like that. They need to keep reproducing as not many pups can make it after they leave for the ocean, which most of them unfortunately killed by other sea animals such as sharks. After enjoyed watching sails, continued on the coastline. I wasn't sure if I should stop by this place because I lived in San Diego and then seeing sea lions are kinda like normal things and it's not that special, But after I decided to compare and then got out of my car, I noticed that sea lions are huge. Actually, that's called elephant seals. So as you can imagine, based on the name, they are huge, and the experience is totally different from what I thought about seeing sea lions and seals. So I'm glad that I stopped by this place, and especially on New Year's Day. Someone's drumming. Some creatures are playing. California Central Coast is a hidden gem. Many people head to San Diego, Los Angeles, and San Francisco and don't really see Central Coast as a vacation destination. I like how peaceful and calm this place is, and most importantly, you don't have to worry about heavy traffic and crowds that's commonly seen at any other places in California. Beaches with great views, mountains with cute hiking spots, good food, and less people. What else could I wish for? I hope this video gives you some ideas of Central Coast. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful rest of the day.